Hi guys, Arthur here from Homeowner DIY. Guys, this is your quick tip of the week. So what you see here is called a coin vent. This is an air vent for a hot water heating system. So the loop comes up, water goes across. So this is meant to be a high point. You can see the trail of water that came down. Now the problem with these things is, since they're not used all that often, when you do have to open them, it's very common for these to leak. Now I didn't have a problem opening these, but I noticed when I refilled the system that they weren't holding tight anymore. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to replace them. Alright, this is our material and tools list. So we have our coin vent, penetrating oil, Teflon tape. I have a 7/16 and a 9/16 open-ended box and wrenches, and then I have channel lock pliers to back wrench. You may not need these specific sizes of wrenches, but this is what I need on this job. Alright, so what we need to do is shut off power. It's already been shut off. I'm going to shut off the water, and then we'll alleviate a little bit of the pressure in the system. It doesn't need to be much, so when we open the vents, when we remove them, we won't have water spraying out at us. Remember guys, the water is hot. And what I'm also going to do, you can see the steam coming off. I'm also going to give the boiler about 20 minutes to cool down before I get started. I didn't show this, but give the coin vent a quick shot of penetrating fluid and leave it for about 15 minutes. That'll give it some time to soak in before you go ahead and unscrew it. Alright, so for this particular one, this is a 9/16. So we're going to take our channel locks. Guys, remember to always back wrench. So take your channel locks. And then unscrew it. So to look at these old ones, they have a protrusion where the air is supposed to come out, and there's holes up here. The idea is you just unscrew this, water and air will come out of here, and then this has a little pin on it. But these things will seize, it'll get crusty, it'll get chewed up, just like this one is here. And you're going to have to replace them at some point in time. Alright, so this is our new one. You see the hole in the side, hole in the bottom, and then a spot for a flathead screwdriver to go. So to seal the threads, I'm just going to use Teflon tape. Now this is white tape, so go 6 times. Now make sure that the hole is not covered. If you need to, just push the tape off to the side. You may be able to get away with using pipe compound dope on these threads, but I'm just going to use Teflon tape. Okay, with that started, once again I'm going to back wrench. And tighten it down. Now be careful that you don't cross thread, because the threads are small. Okay, so the hole is coming outwards. Take a flathead screwdriver, close it, and that is it. It's not much for these things, but it's a good idea to change them when they start weeping, or if they're all chewed up like these ones are. These are no good. Guys, simple thing to do. You can do this on your own. Make sure after you do this to turn the heat on to this zone. This is the main floor. Open all of these to make sure that there is no air left inside so you don't have problems with your heating system. Guys, that's your quick tip of the week.